Okay guys, so if you're keeping up with my videos, you know that last week I released a video that was my unboxing of the Mac Mini with the space gray keyboard and trackpad. And I was so excited about this device. It's the first Mac Mini that I've ever owned. I've usually owned MacBook Pros, Airs, and of course my iMac right over there. Really loved all of these products, but Eric was obviously looking for a new computer and he had a 32-inch monitor that he didn't want to give up, so we thought the Mac Mini was obviously the way to go. So when we were trying to purchase a Mac Mini, we actually chose the base model, but then we gave it an upgrade so that it could keep up. So we chose that base model's customized processor of the 3.2 gigahertz, 6th core, 8th generation Intel Core i7. So this was a really great device. We were really hopeful about it. Waited a couple of weeks for this customized model to come in, and then when it finally did, we were so excited. So after setting this thing up, we can say that it worked great. We tested it out, we got all of our software on it, we ran a Geekbench, and it actually scored pretty well. In general, this was a great device. We were really, really happy with it. It really kept up. And I even considered, instead of having this iMac, getting a brand new one with a better monitor just as an upgrade. So really, really hopeful. Now the thing that happened was the next day we went to go turn it on, and instead of turning it on, we actually got all of these pixels and a flashing screen. So we were obviously a little bit confused. We thought maybe it's the connection, right? Maybe we have a bad HDMI or something. Maybe we need to be using USB-C. So we tried a new HDMI, and what we found was exactly the same issue. So next we obviously tried USB-C. Tried that, maybe it was a better connection that way, a better contact or something. So once we hooked it up, we tried it and it seemed to work pretty well. So we go on about our day, we keep trying this thing out, and then what we noticed was after it slept and actually went on a hibernate, it would again black out, the screen would flash, and it would take about a minute for it to actually turn on fully to where we could use it. And I don't know about you guys, but when it comes to Apple products, I do not want to spend $1,600 or more Canadian just for a product that doesn't really work for me. You know, Apple's known for their quality, Apple's known for creating these great products, and so a lot of the time I'm willing to spend that price on them, but then when they don't work, it just doesn't obviously make sense. So after looking this whole thing up, no one really knows what the fix is, but I actually found a massive amount of people online who are complaining about this for up to the last 2 years since this new model of Mac Mini was released. So now I'm issuing just a bit of a warning to people who are looking for their next Mac. I would consider getting either a MacBook if you are actually looking for that laptop experience, and if you want a display, I would jump actually to the iMac and use that, as it doesn't seem to be impacted by this issue. But as it stands, if you're getting a Mac Mini and you're hooking that up to a display, in most cases, you should prepare to be greeted by this flashing screen, to be greeted by this issue, and it doesn't seem like there's any sort of update that's being listed, at least not by Apple at this point. Okay guys, so let me know what you guys think. If you have the 2020 Mac Mini at home, let me know, are you having this issue? Is it just me? Is it just me and a couple of other people? And if you aren't having this issue, are you using an HDMI or a USB-C? Let me know. I'm super excited to find that out from you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.